The difference is when you check it online, you're not getting a FICO score. You're going through a consumer site, and when they check it, they're not getting a hard inquiry. And the reason for that is they're going to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Those companies, they gather and report data, and they gather and report that data to Fair Isaac Corporation, known as FICO. When you're going directly to a consumer site, TransUnion, Experian, Equifax are trying to best simulate the scoring model that FICO has to the best of their ability. It's never going to be exactly the same score because that's proprietary information. That's how FICO does it. One of the biggest impacts on your FICO score is something known as available credit. So when creditors are looking at your profile and they see that you're maxed out on all your credit cards, you don't really have a safety net if something goes wrong. You're treading on, walking on thin ice at that point. So if someone comes to us and they have a $4,000 limit and a $3,000 balance, they're at 75% available credit. We want to get you the maximum impact on your score, get you down under 20%. But even under 50% is going to be better. So we can run that through our simulator, say, hey, what if this person paid $1,000 or $2,000 down? And it'll simulate what kind of an impact that would have on your score. Oftentimes we can do that. It's called the rapid rescore in just a matter of days, which would take you a matter of months for that cycling, the natural credit reporting cycle to go through, and boost your score almost overnight.
And it's not only about the rate, it actually can be the difference of what kind of a loan program you can qualify for.
So there's always the bottom score, middle score, upper score. And generally you guys go with middle score, correct?
We go with the lower of the two middle scores if there's two borrowers. So if one of you has a 760 and one of you has a 680, the middle score, the lower middle score, the 680 is what's going to drive the file. So if we get a couple and we sit down and we have that kind of a situation, then our goal is to maybe get that lower middle score raised. And we have a very great relationship with CBC Innovus, which is our credit reporting associate. And we have a thing called Credit Expert where we can actually determine what kind of an impact certain activity is going to have on that credit score. And it's not like turning it over to a credit repair that's going to charge for it that only can affect part of it. We know precisely if they pay down a credit card, if they do a certain thing, we can get maybe 40, 50 points, raise that up, get them into a different rate bracket, and have a whole different impact on their buying power.